Welcome to Mastering Solutions. In this problem, they ask us to figure out how far your displacement is from your starting spot if you go up a certain number of city blocks and then over a certain number. So we're going to draw a compass because they give it to us in north, south, east, and west. So north, south, east here, and west. Okay, so they say that we start out right here, and then they say that we go north for 3 blocks. So 3 blocks. And then they say that we go west for 2 blocks. How far are you from your starting point? So they want to know what the displacement is. And we have a right triangle, of course. So in order to find this, we're going to call the hypotenuse C. And we're going to use Pythagorean's theorem, which is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. And c, to isolate it, we take the square root of both sides, of course. So we have the square root of a squared plus the square root of b squared. Now, when we plug that in, we have the square root of 3 plus the square root of 2. And that gives us square root of 13, so 3.6. So C is 3.6 city blocks. And now don't get confused by the way that I did that. You could have multiplied 135 by 3, put that number here, 135 by 2, put that number here, and then plugged them into this spot. I'm just doing it this way. So now we'll take 3.6 times 135 meters, and it will give us the exact same answer. We have 486 meters. So the distance or displacement that we went was 486. If we took 3.60555 and times that by 135, that gives us 486.7. So let's round it to 487. Mastering Physics will likely give you the correct answer with this one, but the book says that it's 487 because they didn't do the rounding like that. So 487 meters is the displacement from where you started to where you ended.